Hello everyone. Today we will make the pattern of a tiered midi skirt. The size of this skirt is shown on the sketch. And also you can use your own measurement. We will make a 1/4 scale pattern because the front and the back pattern of this skirt are the same. Based on the size, skirt length 29-inch minus width of waistband 1 inch is equal to 28-inch. So we draw a straight line with length 28-inch. This is the center front line of the skirt pattern. This skirt has 3 tiers, so the length of tier 1 is 7-inch near to the hip line. The length of tier 2 is 9-inch, tier 3 is 12-inch. So we make a mark on the center front line for each tier. Next, we draw the waistline. First, do a little bit of math. This skirt has a gathering on each tier, so we set the gathering on the first tier is half of the size of waist, 13-inch. Entire waistline is 26 plus 13 equal to 39-inch. So the waistline on 1/4 scale pattern is 39 divided by 4 equal to 9 3/4 inch. Now draw a vertical line on the end point of the center front line. Length is 9 3/4 inch. So this line is the waistline of this skirt pattern. Then find the mark point of tier 1. Draw a vertical line with length 9 3/4 inch, which is the width of the tier 1. Connect the end point of these two lines. It's the side the same. Extend half the width of tier 1 is the width of tier 2. 9 3/4 inch plus half 9 3/4 inch equal to 14.5 inch. Find the mark point of tier 2. Draw a vertical line with length 14.5 inch. It's the width of the tier 2. Connect the end points. It's the side same line. Extend half of the width of tier 2, get the width of tier 3. 14.5 inch plus half 14.5 inch equals 21 3/4 inch. Draw a vertical line on the end point of the center front line with length 21 3/4 inch. It's tier 3, also the hemline of the skirt, then connect the two end points. Draw a rectangle as a waistband pattern. Length is half of the entire waistline. It's 19.5 inch. So width is 2.5 inch. So the half inch is ease for putting elastic in. Now we finish the pattern. Next is to cut the pattern off. Before that, we make some marks. Mark 1 for tier 1, 2 for tier 2, 3 for tier 3, and W for waistband on the pattern. Then change the center front line to dot line because it's cutting on fold. Until now, the skirt pattern is done. We cut off the 1/4 scale pattern. Next step is to add the seam allowance on it. Regularly, we add a half-inch seam allowance. But hem seam allowance is different. Here is 3/4 inch. Because of cutting on fold, so there's no seam allowance on center front line. When we are done with adding all the seam allowance, cutting off the pattern. In the next video, we will use this pattern to sew this 3-tiered midi skirt.